In this video, we're gonna check if it is possible to deactivate the Emergency SOS call option on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So in order to check that, we just have to open settings on our phone, scroll down a little bit, and then search for safety and emergency. Once you find it, of course, we want to go over here. And as you can see now, in here we have Emergency SOS calls. Now in here we can disable the require swipe to call option. So after you press the side button 5 times, you will need to swipe the call button on the screen to call your emergency number. If you turn it off, and then you get a countdown instead. So it seems that while we can disable the swap, it doesn't completely deactivate the Emergency SOS call option. But what you can do is you can go to the emergency number to call, and you can set it to a custom number, and you can set up like a fake number or something that is going to be used instead. So this, of course, should prevent you from using the Emergency SOS call option. But if you're wondering if you can completely deactivate it, then of course the answer seems to be unfortunately no. Leave a like and subscribe.